are blessed to have among us the previous Chief Mentor Man, Dr. Richa Bansal. We also have the pleasure of having our Principal Mentor, Shri Gyan Gautam Sir, and our School Principal, Srimati Savita. Gentlemen, for this warm welcome. And now we would like to start with today's agenda. And Director Ma'am, Dr. Richa Bansal. Whenever we do something special in this school, we remember them and they somehow. Let's move on with the program. The famous American philanthropist, socialite and matriarch of the Kennedy family, Rose Elizabeth Kennedy once said, "Life isn't every milestone is nothing more than a stepping stone for the next journey ahead. Nevertheless, it makes sense the occasion of our tiny tots of HKG celebrating their pass out of pre-primary and moving on to a new phase in learning, which is class 1. And as they rejoice this moment, they are not alone. Accompanying them are their parents, teachers, and loved ones. And yes, how can I forget someone whose motivation is always with us? His presence may not be seen, but can be felt in everything we do in the school. Yes, you got it right. I am indeed talking about someone who has created innumerable milestones in his personal and professional life. Someone whose name is synonymous with education. The great educationist and visionary. The man who needs no introduction, our Chief Mentor and Director, Shri Pramod Kumar Bansal Sir. Can we have a big round of applause for him? Dr. Richa Bansal. Another round of applause for her. Joining them is our Principal Mentor, Shri Gyan Gautam Sir, and our Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Savita Tripathi. Thank you. And then we have the company of lovely parents. I am sure many of you are trying, as you are about to witness the first milestone that your child is going to achieve. And now, after this round of introduction, it's time to welcome our guests. May I request our Principal Mentor, Shri Gyan Gautam, please come forward and offer a floral welcome to our Chief Mentor and Director, Shri Pramod Kumar Bansal Sir. Thank you, sir. I would like to fill this beautiful auditorium with the light of knowledge. And to do the honors, I would like to request our dignitaries to please come forward and do the ceremony. Souls with a positive energy. Now, sitting in this temple of education, we would like to express our devotion to Ma Saraswati. May I request everyone on the podium to please stand up as we pay our devotion to Ma Saraswati. with a beautiful shloka.
विद्विषावहै ॐ शन्नो मित्रः शं वरुणः शन्नो भवत्वर्य नमस्ते वायो त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं शान्तिः.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Pass out of kindergarten today. I can assure you that our teachers have left no stone unturned to make them what you will see today on this stage. And let me tell you one thing. My role in today's function is going to be very, very limited. And the real heroes, the real performers of today are the ones who are passing out of HKG today. They have put together a beautiful show for you. And before I hand over the stage to them, I have a sincere request to make. Our performers are very young, and some of them may be performing on this big stage for the first time. So please see their performance not from these eyes, but from your heart. All success belongs to them. Any failure belongs to us. And now it's time for me to invite our junior anchors. Please give a big round of applause for LKG anchors Advika and Radhya.
Yes, for inviting us Ishat event today. My name is Advika Dikshit. I am student of LKG.
My name is Aradhya and student of LKG. And you know, this is my first time of a stage and I am very happy.
We will always cherish this moment. It will remain our memories.
And your memories also.
This event is a farewell for all of you, for all of us.
So let's invite our senior anchors, then start the show.
Thank you. And now it's time for me to invite our HKG anchors.
आखिरी दिन है
पता है और तुमने आने वाले दिनों के लिए बहुत कुछ सोचा है.
That's right, but how do you know that?
I had seen the video of last year and this dialogue was a part of that.
But today is our day.
Today we have completed our HKG and are ready to move to class 1.
A word good evening to everyone present here.
Without wasting time, let's start the Ganesh Vandana.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय
LKG.
And I am Rishika, a little part out of LKG. You know, I'm feeling very sad today.
But why? See, our parents are here, our teachers are here. It is a happy day.
I'm going to miss our teachers in kindergarten. They are so loving and caring.
Guru, buddy, we will same love and care. We will get same love and care in class 1.
You know, we all have grown up and become 1 year older.
Wow. Is away with the beautiful song.
Presenting a group song 1 year older.
1 year, the kids have done a lot. And now they are here to show what they have done in the last 1 year. How much stronger they have grown up, how much taller, and of course, how much smarter. So this they are presenting in the form of a beautiful song, 1 year older. I am sure you all are going to enjoy this song by the young singers of PPS. Thank you, kids. Indeed, you have come a long way. And then I'm sure there's a much longer way ahead. I request the...
Tapping number.
Now it's time to invite next anchor.
Thank you. And now Shubhaksh and Kashmi to take the program forward.
Thank you, friends, for this chance to host the event. My name is Eva, a student of SKG.
And my name is Kashmi, also a student of LKG.
You know, we have a great time in the school.
We not just studied, but played, danced, and made a lot of friends.
A school life is best part of friends. No tensions, only lots of musty.
Less so, our parents were all we did in the school.
Presenting group dance.
The school life. Thank you. So now it's time for our KG showing what all they did in their school life, what all fun moments they had, what all studies they did, what all they learned through a beautiful dance program, the school life. Isn't it getting a little nostalgic? Remembering your own days when you got your degrees, probably the color of the gown was a little blackish. And seeing them in this red gown, it's a beautiful sight. I could see some parents actually feeling very, very emotional, seeing their young ones in these beautiful gowns, singing this beautiful song and telling you that they've grown 1 year taller, 1 year wiser, 1 year smarter. And very soon, they will be HKG graduates. This is the first milestone that they are going to achieve in their life. And I'm sure there are many, many more milestones to follow. So this is just a curtain raiser of the things, of the bright future ahead that you have seen for your kids. And now it's time for this beautiful dance performance, School Life.
कान में लगती है ना ये आवाज? पता है कमाल की बात क्या है? ये चौक को ऊपर से हल्का सा तोड़ दो तो ये चू चू नहीं करता। एक छोटा सा टुकड़ा, एक छोटा सा चेंज, यही फर्क होता है क्यों में और क्यों नहीं।
आठ समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले, अब तू अपने दम पर फूंक मार के धूल झाड़ ले, छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर। आठ समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले, अब तू अपने दम पर फूंक मार के धूल झाड़ ले, छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर। खोल दे पर, 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 खोल दे पर। मस्ती गली की नीर रमी हुई सही होती सही दोना फोड़ी सही चुप है राम का तो कहना रोके चाहे रोके चाहे।
तो आज फिजिक्स की चल रही थी, मैथ्स की या ऑमलेट बनाने की?
स्कूल के बाहर जब जिंदगी इम्तिहान लेती है तो सब्जेक्ट वाइज नहीं लेती।
भागो दौड़ो खेलो लड़ो सब कुछ, पर एक बार मैच खत्म हो जाए ये मत सोचो कि तुम हारे या जीते, बल्कि अपने आप से ये पूछो कि डिड आई गिव इट माय वेरी बेस्ट और नॉट। और अगर तुम्हारा जवाब हाँ है तो यार हो गया।
यारों जी भर के जीने पर लगता है आजकल दौर अपना आएगा। यारों जो खुद पे हो यकीन तो जिंदगी हसीन तुझे कल बुलाएगा। यारों जी भर के जीने पर लगता है आजकल दौर अपना आएगा। यारों जो खुद पे हो यकीन तो जिंदगी हसीन तुझे कल बुलाएगा। है जुनून सा जीने में, है जुनून सा सीने में, है जुनून सा जीने में, है जुनून सा सीने में। Na 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 na.
A beautiful show of our school life. And now it's time to invite the next anchors.
Thank you. The next set of anchors, Deven and Shriyan. Give a big round of applause for Deven and Shriyan. A group dance titled Dreamers. The child world is full of imagination, full of dreams. Nowhere else could you think of a house made up of biscuits. You open the tap and you have, milkshake coming in or ice cream coming out of that tap. So that's the world of kids. So presenting this group dance where kids are going to share with you what they dream of. Dream of a world which is full of happiness and no negative things around. So group dance, Dreamers.
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause the dreams bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. 'Cause the dreams bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back you. There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain. When I believed in forever, everything would stay the same. Now my heart feels like December when somebody say your name. 'Cause I can't reach out to call you, but I know I will one day. Hey, everybody hurts sometimes. Everybody hurts someday. Hey, hey, everything will be alright. Go and raise your voice and sing. Hey, here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause the dreams bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. 'Cause the dreams bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back you. Memories bring back you.
Look who we are the dreamers.
This is
performance. Hope we all enjoyed it a lot. But now it's time to pack our bags. Hand over the mic to our junior.
Thank you. And now it's time for me to invite the most youngest anchors from LKG.
Thank you, seniors, for this beautiful show. My name is Akvid Maheshwari, a student of LKGC.
And my name is Hriday, also from LKG.
Seniors, before you move out, we want to show you a small video.
This video is about what you are leaving behind for us.
And these footsteps.
I've been blessed in so many ways, thanks to the Lord above. Footsteps walking with me, footsteps I cannot see, but every move I make and every step I take, I know they're there with me. They walk with me all the way, beside me day by day, through good and bad, through happy and sad, those footsteps won't go away. I think that my life's been planned by the one who's guiding me. When I'm led by the hand of someone I can't see, I'm not always sure where to go. That's when I follow his lead. I've been through him and his love. I've been blessed in so many ways, thanks to the Lord above. Footsteps walking with me, footsteps I cannot see, but every move I make and every step I take, I know they're there.
Life. My name is Garvit, a student of LKG. And my name is LKG A. Now it's time to say goodbye to you all and write a mention.
Thank you. So I am sure parents you enjoyed this. And now it's yet another moment of pride for me as I invite the man himself. Someone whose name is taken with great respect in the parlors of education. Someone whose dedication and devotion can be a case study in the top B schools across the globe. Someone who never fails to impress and guide us. The man of the moment, our chief mentor and director, Honorable Pramod Kumar Bansal sir. I would request him to please come forward and share what he has dug out of his deep well of knowledge for us today. So, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for our chief mentor and director.
For opening of any graduation ceremony like this, where the kids, whatever they did all throughout 3 years during their stay with us and whatever they did today, I am really touched. And sometimes I become emotional, because even if I try to remember, because way the students, the way they complete their first phase of education is really, very touching and very, overwhelming. Anyway, respected Gyan sir, entire fraternity of Bansal Public School, fortunate parents, grandparents, and above all, my dear little graduates. Indeed, it is my proud privilege to be the integral part of this convocation ceremony. To begin with, I would like to extend my best wishes and congratulations to all of you for a very special day, a day of extreme happiness, joy and proud for all of us as our young kids have completed their KG section and are being graduated today. A big round of applause for them. A very, very big round of applause for them. If I remember my days of educational journey, if you remember your days of educational journey, you will all agree with me that this is perhaps the toughest and the most challenging part of our academic life. And for this great grand achievement, I would like to extend my sincere thanks and appreciation to all the parents, specifically the mothers. How difficult it used to be for them to control their emotions, sending their children, to school in the age group of 3 to 6 years, and that too for 4 or 5 hours daily. It is not easy. And that too, carrying a list of worries and apprehensions. And top of the list you will always find, specifically the mothers, that whether their beloveds have finished the tiffin or not. And if yes, then whether they have finished properly or not. And if not, then they are afraid what will happen to them. Can I get a glass of water? What will happen to them? Even then they keep sending their children to school for their better tomorrow. And sometimes, they are worried about whether what will happen to them. And in case of the natural call, because there is nobody there, or in case if anybody is there, whether they will take care of themselves as they do at home, and whether they are comfortable or not, whether they are being offered the drinking water or not. So many worries they carry on. Even then they control themselves for the wonderful future of these kids. A very, very big round of applause for all the parents. Secondly, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to all the teachers and the support staff. The way you have controlled them, the way you have handled them, the way you have taught them the initial lessons of the life, and that too carrying with the same emotions and the patience as you do with your own kids at home. It is not easy. Sometimes if you try to think, you will find yourself that it is not possible to carry the same emotions. And hats off to you, my dear teachers. God bless you. A very, very big round of applause for all the teachers and the support staff. But let me tell you, my dear friends, how can I afford to forget acknowledging the hard work, dedication, temperament, above all the innocence, the cuteness and the patience of these little kids. It is tremendous, incredible. God bless you, my dear children. I understand that it is very difficult to teach these kids, but simultaneously, if you see from their perspective, you will always find that it is not easy to understand the initial lessons of their life. Initial lessons of the life, because if you try to see that in the age group of 3, 4, 5 years, if they try to make the alphabet A or B or C, you will find that it is very difficult. If so many mathematics teacher must be sitting here, you see how many activities are involved, even while writing alphabet A. Because write a acute angle, then obtuse angle, and then the apex are meeting, and then draw a horizontal line. The horizontal line should be so perfect that it is not coming, out of those lines, and then only the alphabet letter is A is drawn, and there are so many other 25 alphabets, and then chota, bada, choti, and numbers. So so as to learn in this age group, specifically once they are out of their comfort zone, their mothers, is not easy. So a very, very big round of applause for these little kids. And God bless you, my dear little children. So the first phase of the life is over. As you said, that the very important milestone is already achieved. So what next? The next is that, as you know, that over the years BPS remained committed in providing the quality education in terms of providing the best possible human resource. the best possible curriculum, the best possible infrastructure. And today, on behalf of entire BPS fraternity, I take privilege in offering these resources to your children from class 1 onwards. Needless to mention that the future or the overall your children are in the best possible hands with respect to their mental and emotional health, with respect to their safety and security, with respect to their childhood and moral values. Of course, on the top of the priority, their academics and co-curricular activities. So let us join hands for their successful future ahead without taking much of the time, because the ceremony, lot of photographs and lot of other activities are to be performed, and the kids are too young to be stationary at their own places. So I formally announce that the remaining ceremony to continue. Thank you very much.
Please be rest assured, we have taken a serious note of that, and we will bring your words into action. And now, the moment has come, what our students and their parents are waiting for. The felicitation ceremony. We already have directors, chief mentors are on the stage. May I request the company of Director Ma'am Dr. Richa Bansal, Principal Ma'am Srimati Sapta Tripathi, to join us on the stage for the ceremony. The HKGA, and then move on to HKGB, HKGC and HKGD. Parents, I want to say one more thing. I am sure today what you are just going to witness, that is going to be huge emotional milestone for each one of you. And today, since we live in a digital age, we want to capture every moment, every single moment that makes us happy. And this moment is going to be one such moment. So very soon I am going to be calling names of students, and I would request their parents to be ready. So for the first set, I would request the parents to be ready. As I am calling out the names, please be ready. The parents of Ahan Jain, Angad Singh Atsela, Ana Khan, Avyan Tiwari, Bhanvi Suman, Bhavini Tiwari, Deven Saini. May I request the parents of Ahan, Angad, Anha, Avyan, Bhanvi, Bhavini, Deven and Dhruvik Vathania. To please, these 8 parents, I request to please be here as you witness the ceremony, the graduation, the formal graduation ceremony. Please, beautiful graduation gown, holding their HKD degrees.
Happy graduation day. We have come such a long way. We have come such a long way.
These kids are so innocent, they don't know what they are. So that's the innocence of these tiny tots. And now I would request the next set of parents to be ready. I am going to invite Varshil. Please join us on the stage.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you do.
Parents of Varshil and Harmini, please join us on the stage. And I am going to invite the parents of Mishka Jaju.
Learning makes me happy. See my smile shine. Verbs, nouns, ABCs are all good friends of mine.
एक एवरेज बच्चा हार्ड वर्क नहीं करता, लेकिन अगर आप हार्ड वर्क करते
Now I request the parents of Kaira Sharma.
I'm braver and stronger. I'm on my way.
And now I request the parents of one. As a great man once said, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single. Now your kids are no memory section. Thank you kids, and wish you a prosperous journey and learning one in class 1.
Connect and grow your social media following and stay in touch.
The graduates of HKGC to please gather on the stage. As they will be called now. So finally, it's a turn of HKGD. May I request the student of HKGD, no more in HKG, you are class 1 student. Journey. And as a representative of that, I am inviting Arunya Sharma to share about her educational journey in Bansal Public School. Arunya Sharma. Arunya, you may start.
Hello and good evening everyone. Today on our graduation day, myself Arunya Sharma on behalf of all the HKG students want to say a big thank you to our Chief Mentor and Director, Mr. Pramod Kumar Bansal sir, wonderful teachers and school staff. We have learned so much from you. We will never forget the stories, songs and games that you have shared with us. Jumping and sliding in play zone, fun rides in toy train, sports in playground, dancing and singing in many functions. Are some of the beautiful moments spent during the past years of kindergarten. Once again, thank you to all of you for being our strong support always. We all love our school and teachers a lot.
Something was going on and you were getting your frames. I could actually see, in fact I saw one parent who was just passing. She just could not stop looking at that photo frame and smiling. That was really very amazing. So it was like, she saw her future, her kids' future in that photo frame. And I'm sure that's true for every parent. And why not? Their dreams, they have a lot of dreams for their kids. And now after Arunya, I would like to invite some parents to come on the stage and share about their experience of their kids' journey in the school. May I request Miss Urvashi Tiwari, proud mother of kindergarten graduate Master Avyan Tiwari, to share her views on her son's educational journey in BPS. Give a big round of applause for Miss Urvashi Tiwari.
Namaskar. First of all, I would like to thank the Chief Director and Mentor of Bansal Public School, Honorable Pramod Kumar sir. With our kids in your school, we parents are assured that our kids who are our future are in the safe hands. Thank you for inspiring our students to achieve their dreams every single day. And I remember the day when I was searching school for my 3-year-old son, and as usual I visited 2-3 schools, but when I saw Bansal School for the first time, then immediately my mind said, yes, this is the one. Today I'm here filled with emotions and joy as my little one is graduating the class of HKG. So as a mother, I'm so proud to see my child in red gown. I have seen his tentative steps into the classrooms to the confident steps that the school has given him with growth, discoveries and endless possibilities. And बंसल स्कूल का जो सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट है जो मुझे पर्सनली बहुत पसंद है वो है यहाँ पे n नंबर ऑफ एक्टिविटीज लाइक एजुकेशन, स्पोर्ट्स, कलर डेज, समटाइम्स दे आर वेयरिंग रेड, येलो एंड co-curricular activities and pool activity on every Wednesday, etc. बच्चों को हमारे फेस्टिवल्स की नॉलेज, उनकी वैल्यूज, ट्रेडिशंस ये सब पता चलता है. Let me not forget to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the wonderful team of staff, teachers and management who have played an important role in shaping their young mind before us. Their dedication, passion and commitment have created a nurturing environment for my child to flourish excellently. And also, I would like to thank aunties and bhaiyas of this school. वो भी हमारे बच्चों के लिए बहुत पेन लेते हैं, उनको स्पेशल अटेंशन देते हैं. I really like this the most. At the end, I would only say that I am really thankful and grateful that my child is a part of Bansal family and मैंने मेरे बेटे के लिए best option choose किया है. Thank you.
These kind words. I promise you these words act as a tonic for teachers as a fraternity. And you know, as this session ends, we are rejuvenated to start afresh for the next year. And now I have one more parent who is eager to speak about her experience. May I invite Dr. Nupur Sahani to please come on the stage. She's the proud mother of Vaidehi Sahani.
Namaste and a very good evening to the esteemed teachers, chairman, sir. For me to come here on the stage and speak about what I have seen in the school. So 2 years back, I belong to an army background, and 2 years back I made a call from my hometown Gorakhpur. And just for looking for, again, in search of a good school. So his father was posted on border and I had to stay here for 2-3 years. And the first impression I got from the phone call with simultaneously in the other schools, I did not get. And later my presence here made me feel that the school is full of warmth, mannerism, gentleness and respect, sir. That phone call only made me realize that of course this is the best option I will ever make, which finally I decided when I visited here. The building of course here is quite impressive, and the staff standing in every nook and corner, each and every corner, whoever is standing, I find helpful and coordinated. The day-to-day education delivered to these students, the extracurricular activities, the sports, literary and the cultural events all are overwhelming. So, and I pay tribute to the gratitude to all the teachers who are taking so much pain to doing such an auspicious job of imparting knowledge to such little kids. I feel that knowledge should always be fun. There should not be like they have to do it, because once you have fun, you always go ahead. So a child should be willing to come to school when he or she daily gets up. And I have seen that spark in Vaidehi Sahani whenever she gets up daily. So I wish good luck for the school and to the parents and whomsoever is present here. Once again, dear children, keep rising and shining. All the best.
Wonderful sharing of experience. And now it's time for me to invite somebody who is known for his experience in education. May I request our principal mentor, Shri Gyan Gautam sir, to come on the stage for a vote of thanks. Big round of applause for our principal mentor, Shri Gyan Gautam sir.
Sorry, good evening to everyone. Honorable Shri Pramod Kumar Bansal sir, Chief Mentor and Director. Respected Dr. Richa Bansal, Director ma'am, Principal ma'am, worthy parents, staff members, and graduates of today. First of all, I would like to thank God for uncountable blessings on the BPS family, BPS school, which includes all of us who are sitting here. And we are proud to have good set of teachers, good parents. Many thanks to all the parents that they have a faith in us, which was partly shown here by two parents, Dr. Nupur and Uvashi ma'am, and so many more maybe thinking to speak, but due to shortage of time, we could not arrange that thing. But really, it's a very good set in the school of teachers, parents, and all the persons who are working here. My sincere thanks to them. Congratulations to all the graduates. And my request to all the parents that they have looked after the young ones in these 3 years of nursery, LKG and HKG. And my sincere request that another 5 years more you teach them or you just guide them like you were having them in the previous years, so that they may become a good citizens of the India. Today's program was appreciated by everyone. Really, it was very nice. The students were having the confidence of giving, and that is the part of our teachers' work who made them confident. Once again, thank you to everyone present here, and may God bless all of us. Thank you, sir.
For your vote of thanks. And now we come to end of this ceremony, and parents, you can collect your kids from this auditorium only. I'll announce one by one. So first I'll request the parents of students of HKG-A to please gather, as you will get your wards here. And please remember, before you move out of the auditorium, don't forget to collect a food packet. So students of class 1A would be called students of HKG-A. Today, now the students of class 1A and the parents of class 1A